Moringa health benefits. There is no doubt that the pure moringa tree leaf is the source of incredible health benefits. It's the ultimate, natural, organic, energy and endurance health supplement. There are plenty of studies that describe these benefits, and the pure, powdered, moringa leaf is the most potent part of the plant. India's ancient tradition of Ayurveda medicine cites 300 diseases that are treated with the leaves of the moringa tree. Gram for gram, moringa leaves contain 7 times the vitamin C in oranges, 4 times the calcium in milk, 4 times the vitamin A in carrots, 2 times the protein in milk, 3 times the potassium in bananas. Moringa tree leaf is organic and absolutely safe. There are no known side effects. It's gentle enough to be given to babies in Africa to overcome malnourishment. How to make moringa tea. Moringa nutritious tea can be prepared easily at home. Just follow these simple steps. You just need to pluck the matured leaves from its branches. No special tool is needed to complete this first step. 1. The greenest leaves are to be collected and not the yellow ones. 2. Then is the step of sorting the best fresh leaves from the impurities. 3. Drying them on air is the next step. Sun drying is not encouraged as it reduces the nutritive powers present within them. 4. The dried moringa tea leaves are then crushed. 5. The next steps are pan drying, storing and brewing. It's one of the most secret performance-enhancing products taken by athletes today who ingest mega doses that help them physically and mentally. It's great for people of all ages, especially oldsters who are losing their alertness. Although there have been references to the moringa tree that go back a couple thousand years, and the World Health Organization has been studying and using the plant for the last 40 years as a low-cost health enhancer in the poorest countries around the world, there is a reason why the moringa leaf is still relatively unknown. The sale of all forms of vitamins, minerals, and health supplements is a big business. If you were a company selling hundreds of nutritional products, why would you sell one product that could potentially wipe out all your other products? This would be true for the pharmaceutical industry as well. These industries, with huge marketing budgets, would rather the general public remains ignorant about the moringa leaf. Soothing moringa helps lower blood pressure and is a sleep aid. Its detoxifying effect may come from moringa's ability to purify water. Moringa acts as a coagulant, attaching itself to harmful material and bacteria. It is believed that this process takes place in the body as well. The result is long-lasting energy without hyperactivity, a nerve system at rest, a blood system not under pressure, and a gland and hormone system in balance. Here are some of the uses around the world for the fantastic moringa leaf. Detoxification. Studies have shown moringa's ability to remove hazardous materials from water. Antibiotic. Moringa is used as a topical treatment for minor infections. Its antibiotic property is identified as Pterygospermin, a bacterial and fungicidal compound. Studies have shown an agas extract made from seeds was equally effective against the skin-infecting bacteria Staphylococcus aureus as the antibiotic Neomycin. Skin treatment. Moringa has great healing benefits for the skin, curing cuts, scrapes, sores, and rashes as well as cracking and other signs of aging. Diabetes. An extract from the moringa leaf has been shown to be effective in lowering blood sugar levels within 3 hours of ingestion, the less effectively than the standard hypoglycemic drug, glibenclamide. The effects increased with larger doses. The most popular way of using moringa is as a tea or a spice in cooking. But the most potent way to ingest it is through capsules that are readily available on the internet by searching under moringa tree leaf capsules.